Okay, so maybe you're asking, how do I submit some of these labs, some of these pictures, especially with those with tables and that kind of thing? Well, hopefully you have a lab book, and you could fill out that table in the lab book. Or if you don't have your book handy and you're doing this somewhere, hand draw a table, sort of like what I did here. And I marked it table 17.1. These values aren't accurate. These are some things I made up, so don't use these in your actual table, but do the experiment and do it. Or if you don't like, or you can't write well, or you can't draw well, Word can allow you to do the same thing, and I'll show you that as well as another way to do it. So just go in Word and do a blank document and do an insert table. Now this particular table is 6 columns wide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So there's 6 wide, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm not going to fill out this entire thing, but you'll get the idea. I can type frequency here. I can type VR1. And you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have the little bitty R in one. You don't have to have the I and the little T. As long as I know what it is and I can match it, I'm not going to be picky. And you don't have to write the whole formula like this one says X of C one way and then X of C another. Just as long as this column is the first way and this column is the second way, that's all I care about. And come down here and do 5KHZ, and I'm not going to penalize you on the lowercase versus the capitals if you end up putting them all in capitals. The only thing I will say, be particular about, is the K, because the K can vary. But anyway, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to match it with this table anyway. So just type those values in and fill out your values here and submit that document. So a couple different ways you can submit your work to me. Either pictures straight out of your lab book with what you hand filled out, either a hand-drawn chart that's legible. I need to be able to read the values, or you can do a Word document, but there are multiple ways to submit these assignments. And it may not be a table, it may be just some questions, and obviously you can write those out by hand, or you can write them out in your lab manual, or you can do them in Word. I just need your submission in, and you don't have to be perfection on the cosmetics, but do shoot for perfection on the values is what I'm looking for. So that's it in a nutshell. So hopefully that makes sense to you. And if you have any questions, please let us know.